Hello guys, my name is Hui and today I will talk about the extinction and hybrid animal. So the first we need to know what the extinction and hybrid animal actually mean. So according to some source I found out in the internet, the extinction is a process of bringing extinct species back to life using genetic technology. Basically, when scientists use the DNA of an extinct animal and find a living species with a single gene and then combine them together. This process can create an animal that have both genes, like the extinct one and the living one. So, for example, scientists are trying to revive woolly mammals or even dinosaurs. This process could help resolve loss of biodiversity, make sure ecosystem more diverse, and provide valuable scientific data for research. However, this also brings some unforeseen consequences. For instance, it might be cause new pandemic or interrupt the balance of the ecosystem. Just imagine if scientists provide an animal that carries a dangerous virus which could infect human and other species. That could harm the ecosystem a lot. Just and that wouldn't be fun to think at all. Some of you might have watched Jurassic Park, which saw the possible impact that an extinct animal could have done to our environment, especially like dinosaurs that even could eat humans. So, in my opinion, the extinction could be exciting, but we should think carefully about actually the risk behind.